Morning, old boy. It's a rainy day here on the farm, so working on painting some cabinets and things like that, but also figured I would give you a little tour of everything that I've done so far. So here are the cabinets I'm working on. We're painting them kind of a dark gray, and I think we're going to put some gold hardware on them, which will really pop, and I think it'll class this place up a little bit. Here is the bump out that I've built for the TV and the fireplace I picked up. I was able to find a really nice looking electric fireplace for 170 bucks, so pretty happy with that. And then these are the boards I took off of the shed that I knocked down. And so I'm gonna I think we're gonna clad vertically with these boards. I'm gonna have to pop some sort of access port here so that I can run all my wires and stuff to the TV and things like that. Keep it all out of sight and looking good. Anyways, here's a stairway that I'm doing some drywall work on still. It's kind of a nasty place you're up on a ladder trying to, smooth mud out and make it look good. It's a total pain in the butt. I'm really hating drywall at this point too. Here's our kitchen. Sorry for the mess, but it is a bit of a construction site, We've finished up painting all the ceilings and stuff and painting the walls white. I gotta start painting the sides of the cabinets here to match the doors over there. We got that all going. Looking to get a new fridge, I think, in Calgary when we go drop Fran off, because this fridge sounds like a helicopter when it starts up. This is Justine's workspace. There's Skokie and her perch. She likes to be able to look outside and watch for squirrels. Hey, monkey. Yeah, but anyways, this is Justine's workstation. This is a nice little view that she gets. Looks at the mountains. There's a hallway. It's all painted. Just needs trim now and flooring, obviously, which I'm looking forward to getting to. It'll be a nice break from painting and sanding. This is our main bathroom here, which it's got a nice skylight in it. Anyways, it's coming together. It's a long process. This is the guest bedroom. It's all painted up. Just needs trim as well, and flooring. We'll cover this flooring with I think it's a linoleum product that we found for our flooring, which is not as good as vinyl plank, but does the trick. This is our bedroom, which I've kind of put the master bedroom on hold for now. After pulling the strips off the wall and stuff, I just want to focus on and get the living room all finished up and looking good first, so that I can then work back here. But I think Justine and I are just kind of craving having a finished space. Look at that. That's 90s linoleum if I've ever seen it. And then we got our shower, bathroom and stuff. It's nothing crazy, Alright, now I'm in the basement, and it's big, wide open, unfinished, but I'll try and show it to you, and we'll see how well this camera shoots in dark situations. So this is a roughed out bathroom spot. So not other than running electrical and a bit of plumbing, should be pretty easy to put another bathroom in here, which would be great. This area here, we're kind of thinking we'll put another bedroom because it's got a nice big window here. Put a guest bed or something in here. It's a huge space. I think maybe I might make the back end a bit of a cold cellar because it might be a little bit massive to be a guest bedroom. And this, I think, just a big utility room. Justine really wants like a utility sink and stuff to wash the dog in and stuff like that. You know, you got the panel there. You got your water coming in here. Things like that. So here I got those boards that I was able to pick up from the mill. There's some pretty decent looking boards in there. And then the rest of the boards from the shed. But yeah, the thickness looks pretty good for moldings and stuff. I think it'll look great. And then yeah, these shed boards, probably should have covered them up last night, but I wasn't expecting rain. And the deck, it doesn't really cover or protect from rain and snow and stuff. So I might have to come up with a solution so that this space outside here can be dry. But there's the old trusty saw. There's my new baby, the table saw. Pretty happy about it. And since you love watching me work so much, here's a montage of me painting cabinets for you.
Explosions like a heartbeat. Yeah, my mind's keen rushes of emotion. Now let's do it again. There's sweetness and adventure without a venture. TV's got your mind stuck on good reality. We are young, 'cause our soul is warm. Life's much more if we live it up. Life is all on schedule, but dead's forever. I send my condolences to the site of the drive. Some say I'm living in the moment. I say motion, I ain't got no potion, but we can touch the sky. We are young,
And here's the final product.
this room. And life's much more